Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this gentleman is trying to make a template for this, and I don't really see the advantage of making a template just versus saving the file. But when he says it, when he opens it on another computer, that everything's not the same. So I'm going to, and first of all, his rulers were upside down. So to make your rulers at 0, 0, just grab that arrow right there and click on it. I'm going to set your nudge distance on 0.01. Well, make it 0.01. I'm going to set your duplicate distance on a 0, 0. I'm going to go down here and make it a hairline, which it already is, and we're red hairline. Our color palette is RGB. Our bed size is 18 by 12, which is evidently yours. We're set in inches. And I'm going to save this file. And I'm just going to call it HG2 and save it. Now I'm going to close HG2 down. I'm trying to work on a flywheel for somebody. And we're going to open that file back up. He was talking about the plus sign, and you can hit the plus sign, but then you're opening a new file. You're going to open a new file. If you want to open that file, just go to Open, and then go where that file is, and we call it HQ2, open. The thing is exactly where it was. Our nudge distance is 0, 0. Our rulers are right, our drawing tools are right. We're 1/4 of an inch, and I know it's 1/4 of an inch, because if I set this at 1/4 of an inch, and I use my magic tool to put that to the top left corner, and I nudge it down and over, it's back to where it was. So if you save this file, it's going to open it up just like it is. Now let's just, for instance, just change something. Let's change the bed size to 40 by 28. Okay, and then let's put this top left corner. Now let's save this. Save as, we'll call it HQ3. Okay, we'll close that down. We'll reopen. Let's open HQ2 first, or HGQ first. Everything's like it was. Now let's open HG3. And what we changed will have changed. Now our nudge distance is 1/4 of an inch, and our page is 40 by 28. So you don't have to save it as a template. You can just save it as a file, and then every time you need that file, you can go from there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.